Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for May 11th, going into the 12th. I'm going to start off the S&P 500 index. Higher trade again today. And we've been bullish overall from 3502. We've seen 3,925.25 to the upside, plus another 27 handles or so today. I'm not going to go over all this other higher time frame stuff, but on a shorter time frame, we'd pulled all the way back down to 63.53 and a quarter, where we held exhaustion below. We bounced 1,074 plus that 27 for today, and then we had other areas to get long above at 64.8350, where we were looking for 125 points plus. We've attained 943.75. I said the trade above 95.6650 wanted continued strength, likely for 245 points plus. We've gone on to attain 860.75 plus the 27 today. And then the trade above 71.1950 brought in 307.75 plus 27 today of strength. And we also said that we should see strength above 71.9150. Which has seen 235.75 plus the 27, although I did not suggest leaning against that as a long. And then finally, the trade back above 72.5850 brought in 168.75 of strength plus a 27. Now, decent trade back below 73, 72, 27 plus 1.2 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll project this downward 130 minimum, 280 plus maximum. And the gold, okay, just on an overall time frame, we were bullish overall from August 16, 2018, from 1183. We've seen 4,443.1 to the upside, a lot of other bullish calls in here. Then we held exhaustion above at 56.62, 56.2680, and rolled over 1,526.8. I'm not going to go into these medium time frame trades. We held exhaustion above at 49.1770, rolled over 407.6, and then we held exhaustion below at 45.2310 to 2190 with a 45.1010 low, and rallied 265.1 into a bullish correction or trend against the move down from 49.1770. And then the trade above 45.6760 brought in 207.6 of strength. The trade above 46.0710 has brought in 168.10 of strength. On April 6th, we left a minor and medium bullish reversal below, both of which were on a higher trade for days/weeks. We're about 4 days into that so far. Then the trade above 46.73 projects us upward 150 plus. We're 102.2 into that so far. Decent trade above this formation right here, which is going to come in at 47.4540, minus 4 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll project this upward at least $90. $90 minimum to $250 plus maximum, based off a well-formed formation. If we break above there decently and back down through it decently, look for decent pressure to come in. A decent penetration in there overnight is going to be 27.9 up until the 820 open. And the Bitcoin, bullish overall from 16,275. We saw 110,965 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Then the trade below 124,228, warranted pressure. We saw 64,223 to the downside. A lot of other medium time frame calls in here. I won't get into all those. Trade above 65,585 brought in 17,630 of the strength warned about. There's a number of bullish calls in here. We held exhaustion right here, failed back down through this formation, saw this move down, and then broke back above this one, this formation right here, which now reestablishes bullishness. I would note we did hold this initial macro exhaustion right here with this low. If we take that out, we might head towards the upper bounds of that at 85,704. We negated that minor bearish reversal above there, which is also bullish. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's podcast.